Up here, above the clouds, everything feels limitless, peaceful, the way you made it to be. Hidden lakes, waterfalls, pines older than memory. Easy to feel close to God in a place like this. But we can't stay with our head in the clouds forever. Sometimes God brings us back down to humble us, to ground us. Sometimes fire comes.
To proclaim the year of the Lord's favor and the day of vengeance of our God. To comfort all who mourn and provide for those who grieve in Zion. To bestow on them a crown of beauty instead of ashes. The oil of joy instead of mourning. And a garment of praise instead of a spirit of despair.
Whole hillsides blackened, Years of growth turn to ash in days. You stand there and it feels almost final. Yet, right here in the middle of it, something's pushing through. A sapling, a flower, life from creation that refuses to quit. That's the thing about our God. He doesn't just clean up the mess, He grows something new from the ashes of it. Crown of beauty for ashes, oil of joy for mourning. He trades our broken places for something stronger, deeper. When the fire comes, as it sometimes does in this life, remember, He's still writing your story, preparing you for the next page. Best chapters grow out of the ashes if we stay walking with Him.